Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will explore sizes like short, shorter and shortest. Observe the picture carefully. This candle is short. This candle is shorter. And this candle is shortest. Now look at this. This pencil is short. This eraser is shorter. And this sharpener is shortest. Now students, let's have a little activity. Color the shortest one. Color the short one. Color the shorter one. Now, let's have another activity. Write number 1 for short, 2 for shorter, and 3 for shortest in the given boxes. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.